Hello. Okay, good day. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader, and this is Europe session. Okay, the before we go off, let's take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. With that, we will move on to our live trades. Okay, there's a couple of trades which we took in the morning, which we have already taken profit. Actually, we took 4 trades, dollar yen took profit, then euro we took profit, euro yen we took profit, gold sold we took profit. Actually, the gold we were stopped out, then we took a re-entry. Okay, then we took a re-entry, so at least we fight back, then we are overall I think we made a profit. So now we don't have any open trades for both I would say the swing and day and scalping. So we don't have any open trades, so we can afford to go for a re-entry and try to get more opportunities. So now let's start off by looking at the euro. So euro, we have a daily right now. This market has moved as we expected, and the price is still coming down. So we have a daily target somewhere near 116 and 11620. So we can go for a buy at 116 as a counter trend, and this would be about 20-30 pips, the most about maybe 11640. Then as far as the scalping is concerned, then we would want to sell at 117. Okay, 117, and TP at 11640, and the day sell, we can go for a sell near 11760. Okay, so we have three to four orders we can key in based on what is available now in the market. So let's move on. First of all, we will try to go for a scalping. Okay, the scalping is we will try to sell at 117, stop at 11730, and TP at 11660 or 11640. And also take note that there is no data out tonight, so we can place the order. So we will go for a scalping sell at 117 117, stop at 11730, TP at 11660. Okay, this one expiry will give about 4 hours 4 to 5 hours from now, so which means we can put it as 1600. Okay, so we have a sell scalping which is 117, stop at 11730, TP at 11660. so this one we want to reduce it, the day trading. We have already missed that day trading entry, so we will try to reduce it to 11740. Okay, 40, 75, then 11640 as a day call. Okay, so this is a day sell, which is we are trying to sell at 40, 75 and 640. Then we can go for one counter trend, which means to say go for a buy at 116. Stop 11570, TP 11640, and this is a day call. So we have three entries. One is the scalping, selling at 117. One is a day sell, 11740, and a counter trend buy, which is end of the day. If we see the price reaching towards 116, then probably we may want to go for a buy on this together with this. Then we got to do a swing trading sell. Okay, swing trading sell, we will try to enter at 11780, and TP, I think we can even lower it to 115,580. So this is a GTC order. Okay, this is a GTC order. So this is, since we have too many data that is going to be out this week, including US interest rate announcement, non-farm payroll, Japanese yen interest rate announcement, and there is one more rate, I think is a Canadian rate announcement. So we try to put in all these trades for euro. So the next call would be pound. Okay, pound already has dropped to 34.20. So if we are looking at this, we can be looking at a target of 11370 and expect this thing to break, because this is a head and shoulders, typical head and shoulders pattern. So we should see a final target of 3140 or extension of this level, or a projection of that price pattern, which is at least 32. So we are looking for a very low target for the pound. So I think we got to be in this trade. So we will try to go for a sell at 34.40 and expect this low to break at least to 33.20, 33. Okay, 33. Let me see the 15-minute. Yeah, okay. So we can go for a sell at 34.30 and stop at 34.55 and target at 33.70 or 33.30. Then we had let me see our order for a day trading sell at 34.65. Okay, I think that one, I think we have to reduce it to 45. Then the swing trading also we need to reduce it. 34.70 or 34.80. Okay. I think I have all the information needed for the trade. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so need to adjust the pound prices. Okay, the day trading, we lower it to 45, and the target also, I think we are lowering it to 30. So we have selling at 45. The current high is about 55, so slightly lower than the current day high. Then we are going for a scalping entry. at 30. 34.30. Stop 65. And this one, I think we can exit at 34.80 or 85. And this one, the expiry, we will give another 4 hours. 4 hours from now, which means to say 9 is 21 is 16. Okay, 16. Okay, so we have 2 orders. Selling at 30, then stop at 65 and 33.85. This is a scalping entry, and this is a day entry. Then we are the scalping, sorry, the swing trading also we want to reduce it to 34.70. And the TP we will adjust it later. Okay, we will adjust it. So we have 3 orders as of now, but there will be also another 4th order, which is a counter trend. So we should be looking to sell at 34.70. This is a scalping, this is a swing trading, meaning to say that we are going to hold this trade until the end of the week. Okay, so now let's go and see the daily target, so then we can decide on the counter trend. So the daily target we are looking at 33.65 and 33.20. So I think we can comfortably put 33.20 because that should be your final target for today, or even 33.05. Also there is a strong support. So we have another entry which is a counter trend, which is buying at 33. That means to say that our target for today we are looking for is 33 or 32.80. $65 and 33.40. And this is a day buy. Yeah, 33 is a limit buy and 2 a sell. One is a scalping and one is a day trading sell. So the next one we are going to look for is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, right now the market has already started rising, and this is at 48.20. So price is expected to test 49.15 or 48.80, and if it breaks, then we can see the price heading north towards 150. So now looking at this, the current time belt is going to get finished right now in another 1 minute. Then we should get a new belt coming into play. So we can look to buy at 47.65 or 48.05 and 47.80. So these are the 2 buying levels we are looking for. Okay, 48.05 and 47.80. Okay, target 48.80 and 49.15. That should be our target. So dollar yen, I think we have already taken profit. So this one we are going to raise it to 47.80 and 47, 45 as the stop loss. So we are going to go for another buy, which is scalping, which is a conservative buy. 48.05, 47.65. Okay, we'll put a very conservative TP, which is at 55, and this is expiry 5 hours from now. Okay, we'll put as for 5 hours, and this is a scalping entry. So we have one scalping and 1 day. So then we we have a swing trading buy. Okay, swing trading buy. I think that one we need to adjust as well. So that one we will try to raise it to 47.5. Okay, so this is the dollar yen swing trading order. Okay, so now we are going to go for the next trade, which is a Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie right now we have already seen the price drop to 65.15. Remember, our target was at 65.50, and the price already broke that support, so this is going further low, so which is towards 64.80 or 85. So what we should be doing on this is, let's try to go for sell and hold. Okay, selling at 65.45, target 65.05. This is a scalping entry. And the day trading, we'll try to reduce it to 65.65, and this is a day high. Okay, so let's change this trade. Okay, this one we are bringing it down by 20 pips. Then the stop, we would bring it to 65.05. Then we are going to go for a scalping entry. Scalping entry, we will try to sell at 65.40. 65.40, and TP at about 65.05. Okay, let me give you this order. $40, stop 70, and 65.05, and this is 5 hours or 5 to 4 hours from now. Okay, so we have 1 day sell and 1 scalping sell. Then the swing sell, we are also reducing it to 65.85. Okay, this also revised. So we have revised the swing, we have revised the day, we have put in a scalping sell. Okay, So then we would go for a counter trend buy, which is 64.80. Okay, this is a counter trend buy. $64.80. This is a day order. So we have 4 orders altogether for Aussie dollar. One is the scalping sell, which is we are looking at about 35 pips. Then one is the day sell, we are looking at about 60 pips. Then counter trend buy, which is 40 pips, and also the swing sell, which is 65.85. So let's move on to the next trade, which is a gold. Okay, gold US, we have taken profit. Okay, we are trying to go for a re-entry again. So the levels which we feel we can see the price breaking lower. So if you look at the 6-hour chart, this is a congestion right now. So price is expected to be within this range, eventually break out lower towards 32.85. So now, how can we trade this? We still have 1 more hour left on this 2-hour chart, and so we will go for a sell 33.38 and 33.42. Okay, the TP we are looking for is 28 and 24. Okay, 28 and 24. Just give me 1 minute, a bit tired. Okay, so the target we are looking for is 28 and 24. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have put an order for 39.5. So the one, I think we will bring it to 38.5. And 28. Okay. Then we have a 43.5 selling. So the one, I think we need to revise it to 41.5. Okay, the target is 24. We got to exit before that, and we have one more order, which is your buffer entry, which is at 46. We can still go for that trade. Okay, so since we don't have any trade for the swing trading, so we may want to sell 2 orders on the gold. Okay, so we have selling at 40 half, then stop at 46 half, then TP. This one we are looking for a very further away, so we will try to do for a re-entry. So by the way, the 38 half is filled. So now right now we have one open trade, which is we are looking at about $10 move. So $10, I think it's 0.6% move from where it is now. Okay, so the next trade we are going to look for is gold euro. Okay, gold euro. Before we go that, we need to go for a counter trend gold. Okay, let me see. Three 1-0. Okay, we'll just put it as 3283. Okay, we'll put it as 3283. Okay, so we have a counter trend which is 3283, stop 3277, and TP at 3293. So now, sorry, the screen is this one. Sorry, this is the one we keyed in just now. Okay, this is a day order. Okay, now we go into the final. The euro gold euro. Okay, the gold euro looks market is pulling back. Okay, right now I think there might be an opportunity to see. Okay, so if we see, I think the correction should be turning before 2872. So let's see. Okay, I think we can get one more spike up, and the market should get its top. So we can go for a sell at 2862. And TP at 36. Okay, so 36. So let's give this order. Two 862 68 half and 2836, and this is a day order. So this is a gold euro selling order. So we are looking for another $4 up, then the market should be turning down. So we would try to go for that trade. Then the next trade we are looking for is let's say this trade gets stopped out. We should not see the price going above previous day high, which is 70 half. Okay, so 70 and 75. So we will just put a buffer entry. We'll just put it as a buffer entry, selling at okay, so we have a buffer entry which is selling at 2875, stop at 2880 half, and the TP I think we'll work it out later. Then we have a final trade which is your gold Aussie. So the gold Aussie looks like the market is already testing the previous high, and I don't think the price should go above 42 and 51. So if we are looking at the market to turn, most likely we may have seen the correction over. Okay, correction over. So let's look into that 15-minute. Okay, there is a possibility that this might be the high, or we may see one more spike up before the price turns down. Okay, that is 30. Okay, 5130, 5132. Okay, right now I think this one I want to go for a market entry because this is making a lower high, and the target I'm looking for at least about $18. So it is about 5101. We should see the price lower, 5060. Okay. So I think we will go for two trades on this. Okay, I'm not sure whether the other broker have a gold Aussie. So I want to go for a sell market. Okay, sorry. So I have already sold market at 5116. So for this, I want to put a stop . Okay, hold on. 5130. Okay, let me take the level first. Okay, there is a probability that this is the high, or there is a probability we may see one more spike up before the market turns down. So what we can do, we will try to put this stop a tight stop. We are betting that this is going to be the high. Okay, 5122.5, TP 5101. Okay, then sorry, then we have put in we sold at market. We stop at 22 half TP at 5101. So what we will do is we will go for another one sell, but I think we can afford to go higher volume because we feel that that is going to be the final high. So we'll try to go for half lot at 5130 and 36. So this is your next order which we have given, selling at 5130, stop at 5136. TP we haven't given, so we will do the adjustments later. Okay, so we also have a swing trading call, which is we have sold at 40 half, stop at 46 half. So we want to go for one more entry. Okay, one more entry near 43. And since this is a high, so we will try to go for higher volume. Okay, so we have a sell half lot at 33, 43 half, 47 half stop, and TP we have yet to give. So probably you want to give the same target, which is 3285 or 87. Okay, I think we have given a target of 3287. Then we will try to work this trade. So overall, for those of you who have just joined, okay, I just want to repeat. Okay, the trading style we are using, okay, is called a systematic trading, meaning to say that we would try to key in at a specific precise levels of entry, exit, and stop loss, together with expiry of the time, that means of the trade. So we have and also we have three types of trading now, as of now. Okay, of course we have two more, which is momentum and news trading, which we will also be implementing. So we would be showing you that trade as well. So mainly the scalping and day trading we will maintain in one account, because that always get trade filled, and we want to diversify our risk. Then the other three are in one account, which means that swing trading, momentum, and news trading will all be under another account. So that reason being is, sometimes if we don't get an order filled on the weekly, at least we have the momentum and news. Then this momentum trading, we are also trying to fix a time. Okay, every day we will most of the time we will be doing on the US session. Okay, US session around Singapore time between 9 to 9:30 or before 10. Okay, so these are the time we will be doing. But of course we want to put in one more slot. Okay, I'm not sure whether it's Europe or Asian, but the one I'll keep you posted. But overall, from this week onwards, we are going to go very aggressive and we want to see how much we want to get trade and how much can we generate monthly. So far I think this account we just started, quite new, so I think we have already up about 3%, more than 3%. So we have just wins and losses, but overall the rule of the game should be, when we make more, and when we lose small or little. Okay, and that's the only way you can stay in the business and keep going. So sorry. So these are the trades we have given, and right now we have open trade on the gold. Morning we took a trade and we have already taken a profit, and now we are going for a re-entry. So this is the second entry for the gold, and we have also taken on the gold Aussie. Okay, but we feel that the high is in, or most likely we may see one more push, then eventually this market should be turning down. So I think that's about it. So I'll see you all again in the night, about 4 5 hours, 4 4.5 hours later. So that we would be doing a momentum trading on that. Okay. So thank you. I'll see you again in the night. Thank you. Bye.